Hello, my name is Manoj Kumar. I am here to speak about producer-consumer problem. Okay, first of all, let's see what does the producers do. Producer produces the data. Let's call it as item for now. Producer produces the item and he places the item in some place, and consumer consumes the item. And what is the place here? And buffer is actually the place here. Buffer is shared between producer and as well as the consumer. Okay, buffer can be of two types: unbounded as well as bounded. In case of bounded, producer can actually keep on producing this item and placing here itself, right? So we don't have any limitations at all. So we are not going to see this. We are only considering the bounded buffer where we have limitations. We can only produce only some amount of item. Okay, let's take an analogy here. Basically, let's take an bottle. Okay, let's take a bottle. Can a person drink if it is empty? No. And let's take another bottle which is full of water. Can a person fill the bottle after it is filled? No and no. So okay, can a person drink and fill at the same time? No. Basically, the similarly applies here also. The problem here is producer must not produce if the buffer is full, that is called as no overflow condition, and consumer must not consume from the empty buffer, that is called as no underflow condition, and only one process can assess the critical section at a time. Okay, this is called a critical section problem. So how are we going to solve it? How are we going to solve this? Okay, how are we going to solve this using the three semaphores? Let us call it as yes, E, and F. What is yes? This is a binary semaphore which should be initialized to 1. Why? Because we are going to solve the critical section problem. And what is E? E is initialized to how many number of empty slots we have here? We have many number of empty slots. So n. And what is F? F is 0 because initially it is 0. Nothing is full. Okay, this is binary semaphore and these two are counting semaphores. Let's revise this. What is producer-consumer problem? Actually, this is a multi-process synchronization problem, and we are going to solve these problems. Okay, finally. And then for simplicity, let us take only two process, producer and a consumer, and we're going to write the code for that. Okay, let us write the code for that for the producer. And consumer. Start from the function. Goes on for infinite time. Okay, the same thing goes for the consumer also. Okay, first of all, let's see how to solve a critical section problem. Let us, for critical section problem, first we have to do wait, right? Wait on what? Wait on yes. And then let us take actually producer produces the item initially. Produce some item, okay? And he is not actually appending to this buffer now. So when after this wait, we are going to append to the actual buffer. Append the item. And again perform signal on yes. Similarly, goes to this also. Wait on yes. Consume the item and then signal on yes. By these three lines, we have solved critical section problem. But we have still two problems. First of all, we have to check whether it is full or empty, right? So whether it is full. So we are going to perform wait on E. If E becomes 0, this is a trap for it, it will run infinitely. And at last, we are going to perform signal on F. Why signal on F? Because we are appending, so our buffer increases by one size. Similarly goes here also. Wait on F and signal on E. Basically, this solves our producer-consumer problem. Thank you.